Welcome back, beautiful creatures. I'm Cordelia, and today's video is going to be a 3 eyeshadow tutorial featuring one of the new KVD Dazzle gels. This is Green Nebula. I've also done a tutorial with Violet Aurora, so I'll put a link to that up here in case you want to check that out. I purchased all 3 of the Dazzle gels because I was excited to give the formula a try, and I really do think that they're a lot of fun to play with. So let me zoom in real fast so you can see the makeup look that I put together. This is my 3 eyeshadow makeup look that I put together. So if you like green eyeshadows, if you're curious about the Dazzle gels, or you just want to check out this green halo eye, just keep watching. So I'm starting with KVD Green Nebula. I'm using the Blend Bunny B2 brush, which is basically like a small dense brush. And I'm going to put this at the outer corner of my eye, basically where like all of my excess skin is. And then I'm gonna start dragging it along the lower lash line, and I'm also gonna put it at the inner corner because we're gonna be doing basically like a halo eye shape. This is an interesting product to me because a little does go a long way. It can be hard to get it to apply with a brush. It's a lot of times easier to use your fingers, but I have long nails and I'm not alone in the world in having long nails. So I know that I'm not the only person who struggles with products that are like best applied with your fingers, because some of us are tool using mammals. I do find that it does blend out for me pretty easily and gets nice and smoky, which is what I'm looking for, especially with today's look. So if you're wondering like how high to take this up for doing a halo eye, if you have hooded eyes like mine, when you're looking into the mirror, you want the color to just be visible over the top right here. So just make sure the color is barely visible right here. This is Half-Magic Mermacculate, and we're going to apply this next. And this color basically goes on top and slightly inside from where we applied Green Nebula. So I'm putting it at the inner and the outer lid. And then I'm running it along the lower lid too, on top of Green Nebula. And I like to go back with a cotton swab afterwards to just blend. The next color we're going to take is Karla Cosmetics Pom Pom, and this is a lime green with a blue shift. Another great color choice for this would be Aroma Leaf Freak Show, which is like a chartreuse with a pink shift. And this color is so perfect for a halo eye because it's so nice and glowy. I'm going to put a little bit at the center of the lower lid too. I'm going back with a brush that I used to apply Green Nebula, and I'm just going to blend at the outer bits. And then I like to take a skin tone shade matte. I'm using Fenty 105 Pro Filter Powder, and I'm just dusting around the edges of everything up here. I'm taking a clean rounded blending brush. And wow, that went a lot further than I thought it was going to. Oh well. I'm going to use a tiny little bit of LA Girls The Artist pen, and this is the black shade. And I'm just adding a little bit of definition at the outer, like 1/3 of my lash line. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and then I'll be right back. All right, I went ahead and put on the rest of my makeup, so let's finish up this eye look. I'm going to tightline with the Nebula Black Cupid's Arrow, which is my favorite black eyeliner. All right, so I just put on my favorite mascara. That's the Eyeshadow Lash Alert Mascara. I have this in black and green and purple, and it's a great tubing formula. And I'm going to add just a tiny little bit of highlight near the eyes with Black Moon Glow Worm. But yeah, I think that's it. So let me zoom in so you can see the finished look up close and you can let me know what you think of it. So I hope you enjoyed my 3 eyeshadow halo eye featuring KVD's Green Nebula Dazzle Gel. Be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of these Dazzle Gels? Now that I've had time to play with a couple of them, because I bought all 3, and I've had time to play with Violet Aurora and Green Nebula so far. I haven't had a chance to play with the blue color. But one of the things that really stuck out to me is that these only have a 6-month shelf life, which I didn't see that anywhere online on KVD's website or Ulta's or Sephora's. And if I had known that, I would have only bought 1 instead of buying all 3, because there's literally no way, it is physically impossible for me to go through all 3 jars of these within 6 months. It's just not going to happen. So I'm disappointed by the price, disappointed by the insanely short shelf life. I feel like shelf life should be 24 months. That's just how I feel about things. And especially for this. So disappointed about the price. I do love the product. It is a lot of fun to play with. I like how smoky it is, because basically you just kind of like put it on and then you just start rubbing and it will smoke out real easily. So I do appreciate that. I think that that's really nice, but I have a problem with the price and the short shelf life. But anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and if you have any requests, let me know as well in the comments. I'll be happy to accommodate you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!